It has rained all week. We even had an earthquake here in New Jersey of 4.8 magnitude. But today it's Sunday and it's time to take advantage of this beautiful day and start waking up the garden. I hope you tag along with me as we slowly and gently wake up this bed that I have made out of recycled bricks. And if you're wondering why am I enclosed with pallets, it's because I have two German shepherds that also love the garden as I do, except they like to dig holes. One of the summer plans that I have for this area here is to build an enclosure, a beautiful enclosure for my garden where I can come and retreat and take care of Mother Earth as it rewards us with the beautiful and nutritious things to eat. We also got 10 chicks this week, and I want to create an area and food for them that they get to enjoy as they also give us back the eggs. Very slow process. It takes time. It's very gentle. Gardening, it's a very gentle hobby. You learn about the plants. You know, it's not 1, 2, 3. I just took the trellis out, trying to figure out how I am going to guide this blackberry Columbia giant. How am I gonna guide it? Not sure yet. So it just takes time. These strawberries are blooming. So gorgeous already, so pretty. They're so amazing. Even these flowers here, so gorgeous. This one we're gonna take this out, and let's real quick check on our. Okay, this is bed. So pretty. My neighbor gave me this. I don't know what's the name of it, but it grew in the pots. If you know the name of this, can you drop me a comment down below and let me know what it is? I really like this. Basically what I did, I took the pots, dumped them here with the coconut, and they're growing. Just taking this out now. Don't know what that is. Just cleaning it. We're gonna open that, and you wanna trim this too to encourage more growth. And let's take a look at our compost bucket here. You are seeing it with me. Oh my goodness. All right, I got a feeling. What is this? I know that seed. I just don't know what it is. What could it be? If you have a garden thumb, what is this? What is that? Is that a plant? Ugh, very interesting. You see, there's another one growing there. What is it? I don't know what's that gonna be. Not sure if I made it. What's strong? All right, this is how it's coming. Look, all the strawberries, and I have more strawberries outside, but I put more of those running plants there. So strawberries, plants, strawberries, strawberries. The rosemary that made it. This is the beautiful blackberry Columbia giant. And I am going to plant some asparagus in the middle because I read that it's a good companion for the strawberries. And what else? The goal for this area here is things that will come out every year by themselves. Low maintenance, I guess, without disturbing the microbiomes that we'll be creating under the dirt. If you never planted asparagus before, you have to dig a trench and then make a little mountain there, like that, like a little bowl. And I am soaking my roots a little bit. But what you will do, you will, like if it was a wig, think of this as a wig. Then you open it, okay? And you spread the roots like this, like a spider web or like a wig. I'm thinking hair, okay? You will put it like this, okay? Actually, that's beautiful and perfect. You see? Just like that. Just like that. Okay? Then you cover it with dirt. This is all compost. And that's it. Now I'm gonna make another one. Another thing that I'm gonna plant, since I have the little trench here or canal, you see how gorgeous it is right here in the little mountain. I'm going to put some onions, and I got all this stuff from Walmart. Look, $3.24, and I have planted onions here before and it grows beautifully. Don't mind my nails, but I planted daisies from the Dollar Tree right here in between our fence and the wall. And also from Dollar Tree, I planted dragon flowers. We'll see if they grow. That's the blueberry tree, strawberries. I also planted seeds of sunflower, about 5. Hopefully our fig tree will come back. Onions and the asparagus. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the wood chips from our chicken to fill that space up.